agreement between Government of India, Government of Tripura and the Indigenous Progressive Regional Alliance Tripura. A series of meetings were recently held with the Indigenous Progressive Regional Alliance has Tripura, popularly known as Tripura Motha, and other stakeholders based on which Government of India, Government of Tripura and Tripura agreed to amicably resolve all the issues of the indigenous people of Tripura relating to history, land rights, political rights, economical development, identity, culture, language, etc. Number 2, it was agreed to constitute a joint working committee to work out and implement the mutually agreed plan on all the above mentioned issues in a time-bound manner. To ensure an honorable solution. In order to maintain a conducive atmosphere for implementation of this agreement, all stakeholders shall refrain from resorting to any form of agitation and protest during this period, starting from day of signing. The above agreement is signed on 2nd March 2024 at Delhi in the presence of Sri Amit Shah, Honorable Union Minister of Home Affairs and Minister of Cooperation, Professor Dr. Manik Saha, Minister Tripura, Sri Vikas Debroma, Honorable Minister Government of Tripura, and Sri Shukla Charan Noatia, Honorable Minister of Government of Tripura. Soirika, Sri Mayagaran, Sri Bukhari, Bubogra, Production Vijay Kumar Uncle, President Tripura Motha. Number 3, always Debroma. On behalf of Government of Tripura, Chief Secretary Tripura, J.K. Sinha, Piyush Goyal, Additional Secretary Northeast, Ministry of Home Affairs, Soirika.
Bangla Dorok Suno, Chini Chobano, Ereng, Tokai Samai Naka Haisi. Bubagra Dili Sabai Malay, Botoga Tikani Malay, Botoga Matan Rusumani, Dili Proman Purukaje. The Bangla Tipasara, sini coba poito saya yang temani di baksa tiprasa oh coba ketang kubui kepai nih hui poito temani joton ini fan aja yes
Bubukaki!
jai
Bubukaki!
jai
Bubukaki!
jai
Thanks